This question is asking us to solve a system of linear equations. It says, what is the solution to the following system of equations? 2x plus y is equal to 10, and x minus 2y is equal to negative 10. We have some options for how to solve a system of equations. You can do it graphically, you can use a method called substitution, or you can use a method called elimination. All three of them always work. You usually try to pick one that will be most convenient for the way in which you have the information. So I'm going to show elimination this time, and what you're trying to do in elimination is you're trying to multiply one or both of the equations so that the coefficients of one of the variables, either x or y, match. They're the same. So if I'm looking at this system, I'm going to say, okay, well, I can, by multiplication, multiply the bottom equation by 2 so that when I do it, 2 times x will match that 2x. Okay, so let me just show that right here. 2 times x would be 2x. 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y, is equal to 2 times negative 10, which is negative 20. Okay, and then if I just bring the top equation down just so I can line it up, I'll rewrite it here. 2x plus y is equal to 10. All right, now that we have the coefficients that match, we want to get rid of one of the variables so that we can solve for the other one. And so we can do that by subtracting these two equations. All right, so if we do that, 2x minus 2x is 0x. They eliminate, that's why we did it. Got to be a little bit careful here. Negative 4y minus 1y is negative 5y. Again, that's negative 4y minus 1y to get negative 5y. Okay, similar happens here. Negative 20 minus 10. Negative 20 minus 10 gets us negative 30. The benefit of doing this method is it eliminates, gets rid of one of the variables, and then we're left with just a single variable which we can solve for. So it's negative 5 times y, so to undo the multiplication, let's divide both sides by negative 5. All right, in that case it gets us y is equal to negative 30 divided by negative 5 is a positive 6. All right, if we look at our solutions, we can see that the only one that has a y value of 6 is right here in B. So again, every point is arranged x comma y. So although I see a 6 here, that's actually an x value because it's listed first. All right, so I could answer right away that this is option B. If you wanted to double check that you have the correct x value, you could just plug y into any one of these equations. So plug in 6, say right there, and then solve that for x. Okay, if you did that, y would be 6, subtract 6 to both sides, 10 minus 6 would be 4, 2x is equal to 4, divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 2, and that confirms that x value of 2 right there, so we can confidently answer choice B.